Okay, let's look at the IE2C current loop input card. It's a 4 to 20 analog input. It's got two channels, channel 0 and channel 1. The retainer here drops down. This bottom part snaps off. That's your connection terminal. Okay, these are numbered. I know it's maybe difficult to see them here in the lighting, but in this corner we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this first, the left side here is channel 0, the right side is channel 1. Okay, put that aside. So this is the module itself. You can see on the diagram that the current comes in on 0 for channel 0 and goes out on 4. Okay, so there's my loop. I bring in my milliamp signal into the card, and the return goes out number 4. In this case, the return, the common, is literally the common for the power supply that you're feeding the controller with. So what we're doing really is just accepting a 4 to 20 signal, and it's going back out through the power supply connection there. Okay, down here at the bottom, supply, this puts out 24 volts from the controller power supply. So if I need to power up my transducer, so let's say that I've got a pressure sensor and it needs power to operate. I could feed the sensor with the common and the supply, and then its 4 to 20 signal would come out and go into input 0 here. Okay, the same is true for channel 1. So we have channel 0 and we have channel 1. Okay, also notice right here we've got a little indicator. It shows the orientation of the pin that's on the back of this thing. So let's open this up. You can see there's a pin right here. Okay, that pin aligns with this socket so that it can only go in one direction here. Okay, so what I would normally do is, this would be connected to a DIN rail. There's a channel here at the top of the base that slides over a lip right here, and that will slide down like so onto the DIN rail. If I need to take it off the DIN rail, there's an orange tab right here. You can see that orange tab. What I have to do is turn it 90 degrees in either direction so that it's vertical. And what that does is it releases the DIN rail bracket on the back side so that I can take the card off the DIN rail. Okay, so it would slide off like that. So let's see if I can show you what that is doing. You can see how it unlatches the card from the rail. So you want to make sure it's horizontal when you put it on, so it actually snaps onto the rail to hold it in place. If you don't do that, it sort of floats and you'll have a bad connection. So once the base is attached, then you go ahead and snap in your card, your module. You'd make your connections to this, and you would snap that in like so and clip that onto that. And that's it. That's all there is to it. The rest of the work is in the Studio 5000 to configure the card, to configure the range, and also the engineering units, which is the numerical output from the card. All that's handled through the software.